Namaskar and welcome to In Samachar. In today's national headline, a Pulwama-like tragedy was averted by security forces after a large quantity of explosive material was recovered in South Kashmir's Pulwama district on Thursday. Acting on a tip-off about the presence of a terrorist proscribed terror outfit, Jaish-e-Mohammed, the police along with the army and CRPF conducted a joint search of a nursery area near forest of Gadikhal in Avantipura. During the search of the forest area, 2 explosive dumps were found which were concealed underground in 2 different 250-litre plastic tanks. In one plastic tank, 416 high-explosive gelatin sticks have been recovered, while in another plastic tank, 50 detonators were recovered. The detonators were destroyed by the bomb disposal squad on the spot due to their risk of carrying and transporting, the police said. Police said by virtue of this recovery, security forces have been able to avert a major terror attack by means of explosive substances. The spot is close to Laithpura in Pulwama on the Jammu-Srinagar National Highway, where 40 CRPF Jawans were killed in a suicide attack in February 2019. Moving on to another major headline, the CBI on Thursday said that it has registered a case against several companies for transmitting pop-ups to the victims' personal computers with warnings or bogus messages about serious technical problems including malware infections, as it has carried out searches at 10 locations in several states. A CBI spokesperson said that the agency registered a case against Software Infotech Private Limited, Innovana Think Lab Limited, Jaipur, Benevolent Technologies Private Limited, Noida, Systweak Software Private Limited, Jaipur, Saburi TLC Worldwide Services Private Limited, Saburi Global Services Private Limited, Gurugram, and unknown others on a complaint. The employees of these companies allegedly advised the victims to install certain anti-malwares or antiviruses, which are essentially potentially unwanted programs, also known as PUPs. Then victims were allegedly given the option to activate these PUPs, the official said. He said that the victims were fraudulently influenced in a manner that they fell in the trap that they had to maintain their systems properly. Many software engineers were recently going viral on YouTube as they were exposing these companies. These software engineers gained millions of views on their videos. Many of these YouTubers come software engineers were also constantly reporting this to CBI and local police. The CBI official said that in the complaint it was also alleged that the victims were made to pay online by clicking the link on the interface for resolving the non-existent problem, or when they asked to call the center to seek resolution of the fake problems. Searches are being conducted today at 10 locations including Jaipur, Delhi, Noida, Manipur, Gurugram and Faridabad at the premises of these companies and residential premises of the other persons, he said. That's all for today. For more such news updates, log on to www.insamachar.com. This is Anshi Srivastav signing off. Namaskar.